Good morning. Good morning. Paul is the first. Good morning, Paul. Kenny from Delaware. What a day yesterday. Exactly. And Simeon. Hey. AA. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome, everybody. Pay the trader as well. Welcome. Good to see you guys. AV, hi. How is everybody doing? Yeah, yesterday was indeed extremely crazy. I mean, look at that. The 1 hour chart, guys. Paul, good morning. Good morning. Hey, Terrence. Thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. All right. Let's see. How far did it go? Actually, all the way from 20,983 down to, geez, 378. Wow, that is huge. I mean, it's like 600. Oh my God. What a drop. What a drop. Even on a well, on a sell-off day, we used to see like 300-400 maybe. But 600 points. Yeah. This was extraordinary. Let me check on ES what happened here. Yeah, ES also took out the lows here. Yeah. That's it. And now comes the question. Where do we go from here, right? We took out, technically, Asia low, which was somewhere down there. Doesn't really matter. Well, definitely because we took out the PM session low. So where can we go from here? I wonder. Took out the order block here on the 15-minute. Marcos, good morning. Hey Marcus, I hope you killed it yesterday. I think you did. I'm pretty sure you did. Great job there. Yeah, baby. There you go. All right. So what else? What else is here? Trying to look for something significant on the 1 hour and maybe 15-minute, whatever. I am going to put some levels here. Naomi, good morning. Today more? All right. I like, that's the spirit. Marcos, I like the spirit. I like that. Okay, 539 would be the hourly fair value gap. Let's put on some levels, all right? Let's put it simple. Okay, 1 hour fair value gap. Let's go check on the 4 hour. Oh, okay. There's a 4 hour swing low. You know, couldn't hurt to to mark it up. Okay, 4 hour swing low. Spy girl, greetings, good morning. Oh yeah, you and Marcus are partners in profits. I'm doing great, I'm doing great. I felt a little bit of FOMO yesterday, but eventually I managed to survive. And by the way, guys, even if you're having small losses on a day like this, it's all right. You know, these kind of days are also one of those days. Let's go to the 5 and look at this. Are also one of those days when you don't know where's the end and where's the bottom. And even if you can just exit the market with a small loss or break even, that's a win. You know. Join us today. It will be a great day. All right. Well, I'm gonna think about it. I was born for this. Have you pulled fib from July 24th to the high of yesterday? I think I didn't. July 24th. July 24th here. Right? That's mostly a daily swing. Yeah. Daily swing. There we are. Fibonacci 50%. Look at that. How interesting. On this daily swing points, we just stopped at the 50%. Slim Trady, hey, good morning. Let me start my Discord because I haven't started yet. So, waiting for the next leg down. Could happen. Look at that. There's still some space, some room to go down to the 61.8. And there is a... Is this an order block? There is a liquidity void on the 1 hour. I'm not sure if it can be seen on the mini. July 3rd, 9 o'clock. Yeah, it cannot be seen there, but anyway. It's a nice level. It's a nice level. We really think it will continue down as we think. At this point, nobody really knows. As Kenny said, these levels here are on the daily swing, based on the daily swing position. Swing low, daily swing high. We are right at the middle of the 50%. There's a 4-hour sell side liquidity right here, and there is fair value gaps there. Look at that. Even if I go to the 4-hour chart, there is a liquidity void here. Okay, anyway. And we have the 61.8. I can see continuation, at least to go into this area below 358. But, you know, after this huge drop, I think everybody is definitely waiting for some kind of a pullback. But I don't know. I'm curious as well. It will happen. All right. At least 20,000 down to 20K. Okay. You guys are saying... I see what you mean there. Yeah. I see what you mean there. Question is it going to happen today or not? It's Friday, so Fridays are usually about bullish moves, like, you know, the Friday rally. But I don't have a chart in front of me, but yeah. DM is long. Slim trade, yeah, makes sense. Everyone is looking for buys. They could send it lower, but don't forget Fridays. I mean, most of the time, of course not always, but most of the time, Fridays are kind of a relief rallies. So there's always some positive rally. Well, not always, but many times on Fridays. But let me go back to the 5-minute here. We have, this is the 50%. I can't put it. Yeah, I can't put anything there. So that's the 50% level on the daily swing at 398-ish. And sell side liquidity at a 4-hour swing low slash fair value gap. Okay, so that can also be the next target. Now, if we look at it closer, Benjamin, hey, welcome on the channel. Welcome. So it could go, I guess. a little bit lower. On the upside here, and we just have a rejection on the VWAP maybe. On the upside here, there are no particular targets to go to. The next one on the 1 hour is up there at 539. If it wants to retrace back up there, that could be a potential target. Now, if I look at the 15 minute, everything has been repriced so far. So it's hard to say. This is a bearish order block right now we're in. It just touched it here. So here's a bearish order block. I'm going to zoom it out for you guys. So this is the 15-minute chart, as you see down here. 15-minute. And here, this is a 15-minute bearish order block that turned structure to more bearish. Now this could turn down again. But DM is long. Slim trader, yeah. Yeah, thank God it's Friday situation. I don't know. We can wait for 545. Look for short, but I see it quite complicated. Many companies are in red, but I don't really understand what happened with Nvidia and the big ones. I mean, was this just a healthy correction, profit taking? Some shareholders were just, you know, taking profits, or what could have happened? I wonder. Big news numbers came out. Obviously, I don't know much about these fundamentals and economic things, but the little bits and pieces that I know is that, and correct me if I'm wrong, but yesterday's numbers wasn't that bad. I mean, here's the CPI. These are not bad numbers, right? Or am I wrong? These are actually good numbers. So, change in the price of goods, it was not as high as expected. Change it went down. Year on year also went down. Less unemployment claims. So I would say these were good numbers. I don't know. Maybe I'm understanding wrong, but NQ reached, yeah. Oh yeah. Reached for a half year's resistance. That's I agree that, yeah. How did you learn trading? I'm fed up with being an employee. I learned from everywhere on internet, YouTube, you know. I applied for private mentorship with a person back in 2022. Unfortunately, he passed away. He was very young. He had a heart attack at 35 years old. But his channel is still up there, LP Trading. I learned a lot from him. So first of all, you guys know I'm trading smart money concepts. So if you Google smart money concepts, you won't just find ICT. You find a lot of other stuff about it. But when I first encountered smart money concepts, mostly order blocks, I learned it from LP Trading, who passed away, unfortunately. God rest his soul. But I learned a lot. And then, because he was always trading order blocks, and then I got to know ICT a little bit better and his teachings, and that's how I learned it. But I have a lot of notebooks, actually. Where are they? I think it got, yeah, I packed. Oh yeah. Anyway, I'm not gonna, yeah, I put it away right now. I only have one, but like these ones I've noted down a lot. So a lot of these notebooks have been written. So I'm a dinosaur. I write down everything. Oh, look at this drop. Everything was overbought and was waiting for, yeah. Look at this drop. Now we have a structure shift. I'm interested to take this short, not gonna lie. I'm interested in this one, but I'm gonna have to wait for this candle to close. I think I'm going to go short on this. So just give me a second. I have to check if my trade copier has been set. There's a connection error with Apex. I don't know. As usual. Okay. And master account. Okay. I just wanted to make sure which one is the master account. So this is the 1 minute chart. Let's see if we have that structure shift on the 5. Having a rough patch? No. Oh. I'm just reading what you said there. You know, we have bad and good weeks now. I think I hope it will turns around for you real fast. At the pool chilling. Spy girl, I so envy you. At the pool chilling and trading from Thailand. That is so cool. Are you comfortable trading red downside? I struggle with this big time. Yeah. Yeah, so crazy day yesterday. My long was dropped. Let's see. I don't like shorting, but learn not to have any emotions over the years. I trade what I see. There you go. All right, 2 more minutes from this 5 minute candle. We'll see what it does. And it's repricing this gap. Let's see. Connection error. There's a connection. Anybody has connection error with Apex? Let me know. Seems like I cannot connect right now. Seem to be an issue. Could be rhythmic. Not sure. Not sure. Maybe I have to restart Quant Tower. I don't know. Oh, update. All right. Yeah. Oh, there's an update on Quant Tower. Right. Yeah, download. All right. So I have to update Quant Tower. Sorry. Thank you for the information. Updating. Okay. Good idea. So I'm gonna have to update Quant Tower. Hey! Makalasin. Thank you for joining the channel. Welcome, welcome. We're gonna do a giveaway, all right, guys, at the New York session. So stay tuned. Not now, in the New York session. It's gonna be 35 bucks. So you will be able to have a Bulenox or an Apex 50K account, or you can do whatever you want. I don't care. I mean, it's up to you, but you can buy if you want an evaluation account for 50K. I can do PayPal, debit card transfer, or international bank wire. And we're gonna do it in the New York session, all right? If we can reach, I mean, not if, it's gonna be a when, because I'm sure we're gonna go there. Okay, update. Are you sure you want to close? Yes, update Quant Tower. We're going to do more giveaways, is what I want to say. Okay, it seems like this was just a liquidity sweep. It could be just going higher. We don't have any news right now at the London Open. So I'm wondering where it can go. But now it seems to me it's bullish. Can go way higher. On the 15-minute, I'm looking for some kind of a target, but since this is the 15-minute order block high, I'm gonna put a marker here, and we're gonna name it 15-minute bearish order block high. Okay. And there you go. That would be my draw on liquidity right now. At this point, it's at 59. I would like to see that order block being broken. That's it. What is the best deal now? Buleanox and Apex deals ended. I don't know. I think Buleanox is still 83% down, and Apex extended 80% sale until the end of the month. So that's still ongoing. I'm not sure if it goes for the big accounts yet or still. I don't know. You have to check it out. But I think the best deal, I mean, no activation fee with Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures, so go check them out. No activation fee on those ones. So true cost of funding or full funding expenditure wise, the cheapest one is MyFundedFutures and Take Profit Trader. So if you're calculating the activation fee, again, let me say this, the cheapest one is MyFundedFutures and Take Profit Trader. Obviously, MyFundedFutures is technically the cheapest right now. $76, including the activation fee. That's it. You just opened a 300K. Nice, 440. Okay, so that's working, Paul. Thank you. Thank you, Paul. So it's still working. I wasn't sure if they stopped with the big accounts this week or not. J-Ho! Long at 404. Nice. That's what I like in J-Ho. He sees the levels, he jumps in. I wish I could do that. Guys, J-Ho is really killing it. I'm more profitable trading the overnight. Then you should, you know, do that more. Chefs, hey, 59 is also Asia high. 59, 50. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Asia high. Sorry, that's good to know. I almost forget that. Asia high. Okay, seems like the draw on liquidity is at 459 for now. So right now, technically. Oh, this is for Marcus. The other day. Huge magnet. All right, here. So that could be the draw on liquidity. Gerard, good morning. Hey Laca, good morning, jó reggelt. Always using midnight open. Oh, yeah, that's a good. Ashev's is long from 408. Good. We have a nice SMT at the low. ES did not take the low. Nice. Yeah, Marcus. I left this magnet for you. Okay, seems like, I mean, this one just created. I might take the order block entry on this one, on the 5 minute. If it comes down here, I'm going to take this on the order block. Yeah, I'm gonna take it at an order block. 2250. Let me put on my limit order. It's still disconnected. Let's see. Quant Tower has updated, hopefully. I'm going to put the limit order at 2250 to take the order block. I have a free trade. There you go. There you go. Which one is the chart that I trade on? Oh, there it is. All right, let's hope that Apex is connecting. Okay, Apex is connected. Yeah. Apex is connected. All right, I'm putting a limit order at 2250. 2250. Limit order has been placed. Stop loss is down at 405.25 based on the order block. This is a bullish order block on the 5 minute. Entry is at the neckline of the with the bodies, a little bit higher with one tick. So that's my entry. The risk to reward, well, 405.25. Yeah, it's good. The risk to reward is good. That's the trade. I will let you guys know if I get filled. So far, it's just sitting there. I was thinking I would long under that low, but didn't, cause I'll talk about shorting. Yeah, slip trading. I was also confused a little bit, but I'm gonna, if it takes me, then I'm gonna jump in at the order block. And that's it. You have a 1 minute inverse fair value gap that you could trade into. 1 minute inverse. Oh, down there. This what you mean there? I guess. I don't know. Could be. Could go down into that. It's kind of like an inversion. But let's see. 30, it's 8 points down to my entry. 7 points. 75% of top step traders are long on NQ. Oh. Okay. Well, we'll see. We'll see. The leg down had a fair value gap that we disrespected. Oh. Well, for now, I'm going to go with this. Quick check on gold, just real quick. Next level would be at 2400. Look at this. Look at how the 2400 got rejected on gold. All right, I'm gonna watch for this. If it makes a displacement lower, I'm interested. Let's see. Oh yeah, and I have to repeat myself. My Buleanox code from now on for the best discount is only tomsabo, so no number 1 at the end. For option 2 accounts, it's still tomsabo 2, but for the best discount, it's just simply tomsabo. And I'm just checking it. Yeah, Buleanox extended the sale until the end of the month. 83% down. Yeah. Just checking. Look at this. It's not pulling back down. It's not doing it. And it's going up. All right. We have the displacement on gold. Still have to wait for this to close the candle. And then I'll make a decision. Let me see this previous one. The low of this candle was for 10.7. The close of this candle, it's at the same. Okay, so yeah, this can also be a short setup, but maybe with a wider stop. Gonna be watching for it. Going to measure the possible targets down. The bodies of the candles were down there. Yeah, I'm going to measure it and wait for this candle to close. Oh, there, yeah. Definitely want to say Asia. Yeah, go to 59. Possible. I'm still leaving my entry at 2250. And I'm waiting on gold as well. I'm just waiting on gold. I'm gonna have to set up my copy trader for this scenario. Okay. All right. I've put a limit order at 411 on gold for now. Limit short. We'll see if I get a fill somewhere. Hope it melts today. It could continue super easy. Yeah. Maybe this could be some kind of a manipulation to take out Asia, and then after that distribution lower and lower. Anyway, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna do giveaways and such. Don't miss it. Thank you so much. That was a commercial. If you would like to support the channel, please use my codes and links. That makes me very happy, so I can be here every day full time, because yet I still don't have those payments from the trades, but hoping that at least a few of my funded accounts can get there. So this is the journey. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. Okay, so I have my limit order at 11. Now the thing is, I could use a little bit wider stop, maybe, on gold. Because if it starts to go, it should go way lower. Sell on gold, 24.08 with one lot was wait for it to go, then melted. Oh, nice, 24.08. With one, okay. Oh, maybe you're on Forex. Okay, sorry, you're on Forex. 24.08. Nice. So your entry is from around here. Good. Okay. You're in it. You're sitting in it. You're riding it. You are riding the waves. Bum ba-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Let's see. 500 and holding. Okay. I'm still looking for my entry. I may not have it. Hedge funds and banks pile up money to buy cheap. The coming recession, which is just starting. Yeah, I heard some. I mean, I was reading some articles about recession starting in October, November. I don't know. That could be good for Bitcoin, right? Also, what's the truth about? I got confused. I think it was some old articles or old videos. I was watching on TikTok too, and for a moment I got not scared, but I got like, what the hell is going on? Like China banks are closing down or getting bankrupt. More and more banks in China are getting bankrupt, and that's going to cause a huge crisis. I don't know about that, but I think it's old news. I think the whole world, the economy all over the world, not just US, Europe, everywhere, Asia, the Pacific, everywhere. I think the whole world's economy is very fragile right now because the resources are getting more expensive, and way less resources available nowadays than 20 years ago, 40 years ago. You know, everything is the whole world is faster, everything is speeding up. So rising population, exactly. So everything has got to a superb exponential phase, and it's not just the economy, it's also the climate, everything. And that's why I think everything is so fragile. So the markets are fragile, and whichever market are we talking about, whatever. I actually, you can call me pessimist. I am not. Actually, I'm a super optimistic guy. But I think in 100 or 150 years, I'm not sure if we're going to exist. I know it's super soon, but imagine what happened with the human race in the past 100 years or 200 years. You know, technology wise, most likely, the resources depleted from Mother Earth, you know, and I just can't imagine how are we going to survive in 100 or 150 years. I just can't. What I can imagine is what's going to happen that was in Interstellar, you know, that movie Interstellar. I'm not saying we're going to go for another planet, but that's what's going to happen. Like, no food, everything filled with dust, everything is going to be a desert, and it's going to be like in Mad Max, you know. I don't know. It's going to be over. That's what I think. I hope I'm wrong, but all right, we have some retracement. It's mad. Yeah, it's so advanced. We will not be here. Exactly, now we will be in a much better place. So that's why I'm not worried about that. But I don't think that the human race can survive more than 150 years. That's my number for it. If I would have to guess, we're gonna destroy ourselves soon. So either, or there's so many ways. Economy is going to collapse everywhere in the world. War, you know, nuclear war, you name it, everything, whatever. Ta-dum. Doomsday. Yeah. Yeah. Well, still waiting for my entry. Nothing has been filled yet. Just waiting. You're longing from 425 with 50 points TP, 100 points stop loss. Let's watch. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, gold is not going to my level, which is fine. It actually poked into this fair value gap, so the drop can continue on gold. I might not going to have my entry here, but the drop can continue, definitely. I like the OTE level there. I still have this order block entry on my end. I mean, this checks out. We had a market structure shift here. This candle took some liquidity, this one as well. Shifted higher with the bullish order block. We have a good target at Asia high. Let's see if the order block is gonna get mitigated or not. We still have the London Open. I think I got tagged into the trade. Yeah, I got tagged into the long. So my take profit is gonna be at 58, I think. 58. Yeah, I'm gonna go with 58. Also waiting for the gold trade. It's at OTE entry. Let me show you guys. I don't even know where is this. M and Q. Okay, here's the trade. There. I'm gonna go to the 5-minute here because that's. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay, here's the NQ trade, and I'm still waiting for gold. If it goes to OTE, it doesn't necessarily has to go there. But, you know. Kenny is asking me, what's on my coffee cup? Kenny, I'm gonna show you. On my coffee cup, actually, it says New York, Statue of Liberty and stuff like that. Now this coffee mug is, I bought this at New York. When I was in New York in 2011, I bought this there. I bought this at New York. So it's just a souvenir. Actually, it's nothing super special, but I bought this at New York. Also, I have my stress ball here. I bought this also in New York at the Universal Studios. You guys know what this is? This is the stress ball, but what it says, Dunder Mifflin. This is also from 2011 from New York. So this is my stress ball. These are the things I have. Also, I have a picture of my car, which I sold. Keeps reminding me of what I lost in trading. Here, I keep this here to remind me that I will going to get, not just I'm gonna get it back, I'm gonna get a better one. Keeps reminding me. And what else do I have? Oh yeah, I have something else here. This one on my desk. So I have some stuff on my desk. Oh yeah, also I have something more to bring me luck. I got this from my goddaughter when she was 6 years old, and she told me this will bring me luck in my work. This is it. So this brings me luck, and I keep it here. I don't know what the hell this is, but anyway. Okay. Yeah, she was. I told her that, you know, I'm sitting at the computer, you know, trying to work, but I need to concentrate. I need to focus, and she gave me this, like, this will bring me luck, so I keep it here. Back to my stress ball from Dunder Mifflin. All right, this trade is just super slow now. We're waiting for this open. And it's not happening. It's just not going. Could be a fake trade. Upside. I mean, every criteria has been met on this trade. I like the entry, although it's not a classic ICT entry, but we still have the order block. We had everything. We also had a small fair value gap too, so everything checks out. Okay, let's keep on waiting. Abs, hey there. Last night, New York morning was crazy. Oh yeah, oh yeah, it was. I was done for the day, else I would have taken a few trades. Well, you know, maybe it's just better to stay out from those kind of moves. Yesterday, Mr. Dracula Town. Yesterday I made a small profit, like how much? $317 on 2 funded accounts. So, so it was a good day overall. I could have made more, but I was offside, and I lost a trade too on the fundeds after the New York Open. I was long, and of course it took me out. But you know, it's still all right. You know, yesterday I saw Alpine trader. He blew up quite a few accounts, and I felt sorry for him because he's a good guy, but yeah, he blew up a few accounts. And I also heard that some other people were having some struggles yesterday. So yeah, nobody could expect a 600-point move. 10 accounts, okay. Nobody could expect a 600 points move, really, because if you see it dropping that hard, for example, here is the 1 hour. When you see this first hourly candle taking out all this, that should be already a sign that this is a falling knife, and you should not consider the longs. And not just that, you should just, you know, stay away and stay out, because you don't know where the end is, where the bottom is. I was still optimistic for the bulls at 9.55 or 9.50 after the market opened. So I was still optimistic. I was still bullish. I saw a nice swing high, and I took a long, and it was only 1 micro, but of course with a wider stop, so it took me out. The setup I actually took was pre-market, 5-minute bearish fair value gap. Nice. I got literally like 5 minutes after the market hit TP. Ho ho. So you were feeling the FOMO. The FOMO was real, I guess. I guess the FOMO was absolute real. Yeah, it was scary. I know, because as I said, I lost the trade because I was long, and then I saw the drop and I was scared to jump in. I was really scared. Hey, Dynasty, what's up? Shorts were good yesterday, but unfortunately only had one reaching broke even because I hate losing. Yeah, listen, I as I said, yeah, the bulls always choose my entries through Ali. Well, listen, whoever made profit today or exited break even from the market, that's a win. I mean, even with a small loss, yesterday was crazy. Yeah, could be just sideways action. I was hoping to take that 15-minute order block high or Asia high. We had this liquidity sweep, market structure shift, bullish order block here. It almost looks like an A+ setup, by the way. I mean, this really looks good. I mean, on a scale of 10, I would give this setup at least a strong 8, maybe a 9. Because it's so beautiful. Liquidity sweeps, structure shift, beautiful targets there. Bullish order block, everything. Entries around the midnight level. Every potential is present to go for the Asia high. That's what I think. Could be wrong. Oh, gold. Look at gold, gold, gold. I think I have to put down my entry level to there. 10.5 on gold. 10.5 on gold. Okay. Okay, I lowered my entry to 410.5. And I'm in this drawdown currently on NQ. And I have a limit order on gold to go short. Oh, your night is New York morning. Oh, yeah. You're in the future. You're in the future. Any shorts would have been one yesterday, yeah. Lack of volume, yeah, that's the problem. Maybe it's a little bit too much of a distance for price to get up there. Could you take Asia low again in London session before heading back up? Yeah, why not? It can go down again. It's not mandatory to stay here. It just makes a new low and takes out the 4-hour swing low as well down there and then goes higher. I will sit out. This price action is slow. Oh yeah. See you tonight. See you tonight, Ebs. Thanks for dropping in. Yesterday I made around 900 per account. Whoa. DM, I don't know how you're doing it. You know, the other day, I know you lost those PAs, but now you're back on track. And that's so wild. I'm in a positive way. That's awesome. Dude. Congratulations, DM. I really hope you make it real soon. It's gonna come down to Dynasty says to 398. Could happen, unfortunately. Yeah. Absolutely. And it can go down. It can. It can. All we can do is take an educated guess and execute the entry model. And that's it. But you are absolutely right. It can go all the way down there. Discounts were so close to be burned 2 days ago. Hey, you know, be grateful, DM, and take your notes or journal it down, whatever, and learn from that, and from now on protect those accounts even more. And you know, that was also, I think, a lesson. I've been pretty cold, so don't pay me much attention. All right, no problem there. Target 473. All right. I'm actually relieved, because when Marcos says a number that is in alignment with my TP, I feel a little bit better. And that's true. All right, we have the market open. Totally forgot. We have the London open. So let's see what happens here. Here's the trade. So just waiting. I still have my limit order on gold. Can I show it? MGC, where is it? Here is it. Here it is. My limit order is at 410.5. I don't have a TP yet, but excuse me, but I have it. Oh no, it's going down. Lack of volume. That's possible. Let's see. Slowly getting higher. Gold is still not tagged. Has been brutal. Oh yeah, I mean, not just for you, Dynasty. Trust me, I had my fair share of frustration myself. And the thing is that in the past few days, or almost 2 weeks, I got scared to trade on my funded accounts. I trade on it, but you know, very small size, and I just got cold feet, to be honest, because, and this is not because I mean, the market is doing its thing, but I just looked back my trades from the past 2 weeks, and not just the ones that I called out on stream, but I mean, I'm not saying I'm on a losing streak, but it was difficult to determine the trend, the bias, the drawn liquidity. Spy Girl, you're back. All right. Welcome, welcome. Okay, I think I got tagged into the gold trade. Yeah, I'm in it. So I got tagged in gold, and I'm not super happy about it. Target is 056 down there. Oh no. NQ, come on. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me, NQ? Okay. Oh no. This is bad. I'm gonna get slaughtered here. Nah, you didn't miss anything. Bonjour. John D, hey. Gold, you have to look at gold-silver ratio also. That's helpful. Okay. For now, the gold entry looking good, but my NQ entry, well, is looking effed up. This was my entry, inverted fair value gap. Oh, yeah. On the 1 minute, inversion gap. Yeah, exactly. Here it is. Boom. Good entry. Where is it? Here. There was it. I am Wida. Hey, good morning. Jorgert. Fingers crossed, everyone. This is getting exciting now. This is getting exciting. I'm not gonna have more coffee. The same scenario as yesterday. I'm in drawdown on both on gold and NQ. What a day. Actually, yesterday I lost the NQ trade and I won the gold trade, so that put me into profit. So that's why sometimes it's good to go with a good risk to reward ratio. I try to keep it at least above 1.5, but not most likely it will enter in range. Oh no, Marcus, don't say that. So I'm not going to adjust the stop. I'm going to leave it there because if it goes down there, I think it's just going to make a new low. I'm not going to adjust anything on this one. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to be like water. You know, I'm just going to flow. I'm just going to be like water. I'm going to be patient. Yeah. Added another trade and have no stop loss. Come on, Gerald. Be careful there. Be careful. Okay, gold is moving in my direction, but I'm going to lose the NQ if this goes like this. This was, I mean, the analysis to reach Asia high was actually good. So I don't know what the heck is happening. The thing is, we just have a market structure shift on the 5-minute with a displacement. So unless it's not going to reprice, let me zoom it out. Yeah, unless it's not going to reprice this gap, unfortunately, NQ is going to continue lower and take me out. And we should have an answer in the next 4 to 5 minutes. 386, your stop loss. Okay. That's a good area. Gives you more wiggle room. I think my trade is going to go to the dumpster on NQ. Again. Lady Luck is not going to help me. Don't worry, I'm not going to sing right now. Maybe that's the problem. I was hoping for a better reaction on this 5-minute order block. But that's why I always say that my favorite order blocks are 15-minute and higher. Even the 15-minute is not always looking good. So usually the 1 hour, 4 hour order blocks are giving very good reactions, but this one, I'm gonna get taken out from this. Look at this. No. Oh no. 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 Anyway, just get on with it and put me out of my misery. Let's go. Come on. Just put me out of my misery. Manipulation could be. Good morning, Bess. Good morning. I'm not going to change anything on this trade. If it trades lower, then it's definitely making some new lows. But this was unfortunate. I was hoping for this order block entry. I was really hoping. But, you know, can't complain. It's not going for it. No, it's going for it. It's going for my stop loss. Come on. I just take it. Let me concentrate on the next move. Don't take away my energy here. Just take it or leave it. Come on. Yeah, could create a breaker block, block. It actually shifted down here already, so we have a fair value gap here. It's not accurate, but there it is. If this gap is gonna stay like this, obviously that's gonna compromise this whole analysis that I had. But if it takes me out sooner, then I might going to take this short. There you go. But I might going to take that and, you know, target the lows. Now this is the gold trade, which is still okay-ish, I guess. Hopefully. So it's looking all right. All right, let me delete this. So should I take a short on NQ? Because there's just another signal to go short, and this is actually right at the 50% level. That would be a little bit aggressive from my end to take two trades so close to each other. You know what? I'm gonna jump into this one if it goes up there. With 18.25 limit order. I placed the sell limit at 18.25. Let's see. Yeah, so now I'm looking to go short. I don't know exactly. I mean, I know why, but if we're not going for the Asia highs right now, then we can still go for another leg down to the 4-hour swing low and fair value gap down there. If you go to the 4-hour chart, check out the 361 level down there, fair value gaps and everything down there, and the swing low on the 4 hours. So it could be the last leg, and that's why I'm saying I don't necessarily have a daily bias, so I'm not attached to a level or to a daily bias. If I see the displacement and the move from the market that in a certain direction on the drawn liquidity, then I jump in. The rest is just risk management, really. But do you look at other charts at this one, or only no, I look other charts on my screen on the left. I also look at ES. Not that it really matter, but look at ES. Also the 5-minute shifted down. I look at other time frames too on my left side. I look at the 15. I look at the 1 hour. So yeah. At least gold is moving. We rejected 23, so looking to see 395. Yeah, it could be. Let me put this gap here. I'm gonna take this fair value gap here. If it wants to go lower. I'm not in the trade on NQ. The only thing is happening with gold now. I don't have limit order on NQ. The gold trade is looking okay for now. Let's see. Yeah, it's all right. It's looking all right. And my limit order on NQ is up there. I don't know if it's gonna get taken, but the gold trade so far it's moving. So waiting for that retracement. Hey Saya, hey there. I'm doing great. I had miserable 2 days. Not just you, trust me. I mean, many traders, especially yesterday, was a huge surprise, I think, to a lot of traders. So don't beat yourself up to it. I think it was a huge surprise for everybody. For everybody. We rejected New York close. If it doesn't break 396 hard, you have to go out. Okay. Okay. You're longing 398. YOLO? Be careful there. Careful everyone with the YOLOs right now. We don't know what's going to be the aftermath of all this. The gold trade is still on. So let's hope for the best. the giveaway is not happening yet. But we're gonna do it in the New York session. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and like the stream. We're gonna do the giveaway in the New York session. All right. Stay tuned. And of course, because it's the commercial time right now, if you would like to support the channel and the stream, I would greatly appreciate it if you use my codes and links. Buleanox is on sale until the end of the month, and Apex extended to 80% and 83% with Buleanox. Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures deleted the activation fee, so check those out too. And TopStep additional 20% for new registrations. Also, if you already have a TopStep account or you're purchasing new accounts, you can still give some credit to the channel if you click on my link before purchasing a TopStep combine. Thank you so much. That was a commercial. Let's go. Let's go. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I'm looking for some retracement on NQ. Actually, I'm going to modify my entry on NQ to 418 because now it's 418.25. I'm going to put it lower with just one tick. Just one tick. So I modified it with one tick. Sometimes those one single ticks can make a real difference. So my limit order is still on. Market structure shift. The problem now is that it just, took liquidity down there. And this makes this short a lower probability entry because there's more liquidity taken here. That's a little bit frustrating. What if we still go up to Asia highs? Because look at the 15 minute, it's just poked again into liquidity on the 15 minute. So not sure. I might have to even reconsider by deleting this limit order. I don't know. Upside just looks too heavy with resting orders. Yeah, I'm gonna burn these. Yeah, I mean, not too much burn, but I get the frustration. For stuff like it. Oh, thank you. Hey, I didn't give you a discount. Oh, because you already have an account, right, DM? If you already have an account with TopStep, it's just for the first purchase. I also write this in the description. It's only for the first purchase and 50% from the first reset, but only if you're a new customer with TopStep, then it's going to give you a discount automatically at the checkout page. But only if you're a new customer. I'm sorry, DM. But anyway, if anyone would like to give credit to the stream, you can click on my link before purchasing one, and that's it. But it's for new. TopStep usually doesn't do promos, right? They put out some reset codes on the live stream, but they don't really do sale promotions, only for new customers usually. Oh yeah, so Kugita, hey, good morning, good to see you here. Welcome to the stream. Hey Halikaka, take profit trade real loss is also a list of the account. The daily loss limit, if you're asking, that's a hard breach, the daily loss limit at Take Profit Trader. So yeah, Oh my god, I don't know what to do here, guys. Should I take this short or not? I got confused. So that's a hard breach. You have to be careful on Take Profit Trader with the daily loss limit. It's $1,100, I think, on the 50K. Bautista, hey there. I think I got tagged in, not sure, on NQ. Maybe not. Look at this, my NQ short. My NQ short did not get tagged in with one tick. At least not yet. Look at this. I mean, it can still go. The gold trade is looking all right. Actually, I'm going to delete the limit order on NQ. I just don't like the move. I've deleted the limit order on NQ. So I don't like it. It makes this lower probability entry for me on the shorts because it took liquidity on the 15-minute. I think it can just go higher and still take the Asia high. And gold is also going down, so I don't feel safe with the NQ shorts anymore. So I deleted my limit order. I only have the of course it can still go down and I will have a huge FOMO, whatever, but you know, trying to reduce risk right now. The gold trade is looking good for now, and I'm going to reduce risk on gold as well, because if it trades above that level, actually let me put it a little bit higher. If it trades above that level, it's gonna go higher anyways. So the gold trade has been reduced risk-wise. So anyway. Let's go gold, come on. I need that TP. Come on. Just go a little bit more. Come on, gold. Don't do this with me, man. Yesterday it did the same to me. It did the same. You know what? F it. I don't care. Gold is not going to mess around with me. Not today, gold. Yesterday it did the same. It stopped right before my TP and went back. I mean, okay, there you go. There was my... oh, no, it's not. Still not my TP. It's still down with one tick. So my TP is original. There you go. There's my TP. I don't care. I don't care. I made back my loss from NQ and a little bit more. So I'm in profit. But yeah. Dang it. WW. Yeah. So at least I made it back on the gold trade. My TP was at here. My stop loss was lower, so my risk to reward ratio was okay. Eventually I closed it higher, I think at 6.1, so my risk to reward was 1.8 on this, but still it was a good trade. And on this one, I don't feel the FOMO because I did not get tagged into this trade anyway, because my entry was in that fair value gap up there. Now, if NQ goes lower here, then it makes it even more lower probability for me to re-enter a short. So I don't know. If it makes a strong candle to the downside as a displacement, maybe we could target the 4-hour swing low. Maybe. But if this is just going to consolidate here, then I'm still going to like the upside at Asia high. So I did not get my entry anyway, so I'm not feeling FOMO about this. That's a good thing, because eventually it didn't go up there. Oh, it did. Okay, F this. On the micro it didn't, but on the mini it did. Look at this. On the mini it did. The mini spiked in with one tick maybe. The high of this candle was 17 and 2 ticks. 2 ticks on the mini. It got into the short here. 2 ticks. But not on the micro. Anyway. I still don't trust this short. So that's why I deleted it. I don't like it. I'm still waiting for that Asia high. So let's just keep it real and wait for the Asia high. Okay, so the copy trader did work out quite well. I have to check if I have some orders. Okay, always check if you have some orders left, because that can mess up everything. Lower low, will it hold? I don't know. It's a lower low. There was some liquidity here. Hey Sonia, thank you for dropping in, and hope to see you soon. So I'm not sure if it's gonna hold, but you know, we'll do the best. I'm going to watch for that Asia high. FX and Trophy, hey, good morning. Welcome. I'm gonna have some new soundboard sounds. I'm gonna have a welcome sound. I have some ideas. So da, 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 da. Oh, look at that. Okay. Okay. Look at this. If I would have a short on NQ, I'm gonna feel the FOMO soon. Yeah, this would have been the trade. Oh Jesus, holy Christ. There's the FOMO. There's the FOMO, guys. Okay. On the mini, it would have taken the trade, but the NQ didn't spike into the gap. And there's the trade. Should have jumped in on NQ when I saw this. I haven't watched the mini chart. Maybe if I would have saw that it took it on the mini, I would have jumped in on the micro, but it's too late. So that was a nice 1 to 2 risk to reward trade that I missed. Bam. Yeah. 80 maybe. Yeah, don't forget the 361 level down there for the 4-hour chart. Exactly 50%. Yeah. Yeah, Mamba Fox. Exactly. Exactly. Gold went up there. I think my TP was spot on with gold. Absolutely to the tick, almost. My TP was at 0.56 and the low of the candle was 0.5.5. So that's interesting. Okay, looks like it might want to take a new low, and I can see 361 happening. You know. I can see that. Yeah, exactly. Harold, hey, welcome to the channel. Welcome. Good to see you. New member on the stream, Harold. Welcome. I should have taken this trade. Actually, there was a small fair value gap here, down here. This one. Could have taken that, but anyway. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? This is a bullish order block, so it can break at 72. So we can break the 72, I think. 360, yeah, we have 4-hour swing low. It might not be the same on mini. This is on micro, but mini could be different. But you know, sell side liquidity, 4-hour swing low slash fair value gap. Let's go and check it out real quick. So this is the 4-hour chart, and we have the 4-hour swing low right here. And we have a liquidity void, but this is only on micro, but we have it here. Let me check it on mini. On mini, the low is 61 as well. So 61 could be the target. I like the 61 level. Just don't have an entry. Waterfall 330. 330. Could go. Yeah, somewhere in the middle. Also, there's another order block down at 270. And we have the void here. I mean, not void. This is an unbalanced price range. It's not a void. This here on the micro only, which is not that strong, but unbalanced price range. Bullish order block 271. So I think the 360 after this huge move, it can continue. Take more liquidity on the low end. 80, bam. Did it go for the 80? Almost. Let's go. It's gonna melt down like ice cream. $320. Okay. Yeah. So if we anticipate that we are in a short bias, then the low hanging fruit should be the 361. So yeah, a little bit higher for TP, 363-ish, 64 area, but I don't have an entry, so I have nothing. FX even lower? Oh, okay, okay. So you're saying to FX and Trophy that it can go lower. Lower than the 320. I guess I could imagine below 290. Down close candle below 275. I can imagine that. At least we have some movement here, you know. Now let's not forget that we just created another shift in structure. It's not that strong, not that significant, but we still have time from the silver bullet and from the kill zone as well. And here you go. Bearish market structure shift as a continuation towards the trend. If I put a fib tool here, I could see that optimal trade entry somewhere up there. So I'm just going to put my entry, possible entry, a little bit higher. The risk to reward ratio is good. I can imagine this scenario here to go short. Major level. So I'm going to be watching that. Gold went back up there. As for gold, it's hard to say. I mean, I thought that, you know, it's going to take out that sell side, but if it turns to bullish, then obviously these relative equal highs, almost triple highs here at 24.15 area, it's not going to be accurate, but that could be a level of interest on gold for the bulls. And this just got more interesting. So here comes a possible decision point on NQ. Should I enter a short position at 400? Yeah. 400. If it's going to retest 400, should I enter a short? I guess I'm gonna have a limit order at 400 because we still have time. Only thing I'll do is lower my risk. Okay, I have a limit order at 400. Exactly on 400. My stop is 18.50. Not a good stop loss level though, but the risk to reward could be good. $420 is a better short. I have a feeling, but I could be wrong. If it gets to 420, it wants to break higher above the midnight level. I think it wants to take out that previous high and go for the Asia highs. That's my feeling. If it gets to this level, to the 20s, then it might want to go for Asia highs. So, yeah. Uh-oh. I might get tagged in here at 400. We inverted the 5-minute fair value gap too. Yeah, that's true. That's true, Slim Trady. That's true. Inversion gap on the 5-minute. Let's see what it does. I'm still not in the trade yet. My limit is at 400. Tom, I told you 380. Okay. Okay. I hope you're saying this because because we're gonna go to 380. Yeah. This, yeah. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. If I get tagged in here, it just gives me a good risk to reward. That's all. Nothing special. Excuse me. We did. Oh yeah, we did. We did. The low of this candle was 80.50. That's true. 2 ticks, but yeah, of course. Okay, that was 80. That was 80. You're long at 388. That's not good. That's not good for me. Guys, don't do this with me, guys. Don't you do this with me, guys. I might have been tagged in. Yeah, I think I did. Okay, I'm in the trade. And now that you guys said that you're in a long, I just feel skeptical about everything. TPV 64. My end. Yeah. That's my TP down there. It goes there. Worst case scenario, if I lose this trade, I'm gonna be at break even because the gold trade put me into profit, and now I'm risking only that profit from this session. So worst case scenario, this will going to put me into break even, and we'll see the next move. $473. Come on, guys. Yeah, unfortunately, I see what you guys are saying. Yeah, 403, and we have the highs above 18. Damn it. I should just close this. How is my copy trading doing right now? Target 73. Guys, you freak me out. FX and Trophy is short 405. Okay, this is gonna be a huge battle between everyone. Okay, this is gonna be a huge battle. Honestly, their belly. Okay, I like this. We have a fight now. Okay, let's see. I enjoy this. Who's gonna win this one? I know that FX and Trophy has the backup power to add to those shorts, so if I get taken out from this, he can still hold it. Excuse me. I woke up at 4 a.m. So I'm a little bit sleepy. Yeah, the 417 is, yeah, it's looking juicy up there, but let's see if market wants to do one more squeeze to the downside, but I don't know. Only paper trading, so it will not matter. Oh no. Oh guys, this is gonna be interesting. This is fun. This is fun. All right. All right, still in it. Gizno is selling. Hey, Gizno. All right. WeWap is there too. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Trust your analysis. You have good risk reward, so if you lose a trade, yeah, it's no big deal. Actually, I'm super comfortable. Yeah, although, yeah, it's not always good to leave the market with break even, but it's a win. So if I lose this trade, I'm gonna be break even for the session. I'm perfectly stress free on this trade. Absolutely stress free. I'm trading with micros, absolutely fine. And I'm sitting in profit for the session right now at this second, so I'm all right. Beef ribs. Oh yeah, FX is short. Maybe we'll not have a lot of volume now. Yeah, I'm gonna be sitting this one out anyways, so I'm not gonna interfere with this. But you know, have to be careful. You know, if it goes higher, I believe that there is still a possibility to target the 15-minute order block high, which is the Asia high. So I have a plan for both directions. That's the good thing. The plan is set of what to do. NQ can go either way here. Yeah, yeah. This is right now at this moment. It's a coin flip, really, because it's really a decision point. I think for the algorithm or market or whatever you want to call it, price. It's a decision point. I think. I wanted to check on some levels. Not that I really care too much. But I want to see. Yeah, Bookmap is having orders both up and down, maybe a little bit more at the 410 area, but that's all. Nothing really special. Delta is, yeah. Okay. All right, we'll see. Short bias, 50% long left over. Oh. All right. Pressure is short, but yeah, there are people on long, so it looks like it's going higher, but once they detect that their net is full of fish, they will pull the trigger down. Algos. I was wondering, Mullops. What is Mullops? Pull back to 392-ish, maybe before heading back up. Maybe. 50%. Okay, yeah, 50% closed. All right, Jonathan. Let's go, Jonathan. Doing good, doing great. I mean, so far it's still a better London session than last week or the beginning of the week. At least we have some levels and some movement. Oh no. It's going back. It's happening. It's happening. I don't like this. It's actually scary. No, it's not. Yeah, I think it has a chance to go higher, but anyway. Yeah, no problem. Long on 6E, close 50%. Nice, Vida. Congratulations, Iron Rider. Okay, this trade is not looking good. Oh. Okay, that was the issue. Changing it. Oh no, it's going back up there. Oh no. Oh no. It's going to take me out. No, it's not sure yet. It's not confirmed yet. It seems like I have a connection issue with Buleanox. Now this is something I don't like. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Move stop break even or close, little profit is gonna come down. Unfortunately it's too late for that. Looking good. You guys are celebrating. Okay. Am I connected here? Looking good. Definitely looking good. For you guys. Not for me. Not for me, unfortunately. What's the high of that area? It's 17.50, right? 17.50, I think. We're good. 1 hour coming up to make top wick, then coming down. So you think we're gonna wick to the top and then go down, right? There is definitely liquidity in this gap up there. There has to be liquidity up there. That's for sure. There just has to be. I'm seriously thinking to close my trades with a small loss. Small lot, because I think I'm pretty convinced that we're gonna take out that gap. So I'm closing the trade. I exited, closed it down. Closed it down because I'm watching the 1 minute closely and I see that, and I also watching Bookmap, but that's not the thing. I think it's gonna go up and you know, stake liquidity above 17. So I closed it. I'm still at break even for the day, just saying. Still at break even. At least I saved some profit. Well, the commissions are eating up anyways. So I'm flat. Meow. Almost blew this account yesterday with their... Oh, careful. Careful. Careful, Naomi. 473 minimum. If you keep it, look for 5. So 73. I'm gonna look into that, but now I'm just going to look into the Asia highs. You know, in this scenario, actually let me delete this, it's just disturbing me. In this scenario, we have a shift again to the upside. what if, and I'm just thinking out loud because we're still in the kill zone. What if the real plan was all the way to lure everyone to the short and then finally push it upside? Because then we have this one. Boom. Interesting, right? You can join Tom to rejection. Head below confirms. 1 hour. I don't think 1 hour will give that week because it's coming from daily support. Let's see. I'm trading only one account, TOPSTEP Express, so I'm chilling. Yeah, there you go. 20 accounts, especially in London, is stressful. I was going to sell too, but I stayed away when I saw the price. Yeah. I was a little greedy, to be honest, I think. And now it looks like there could be a possible long entry. This is also an order block. We'll see how it goes. Bullish order block here. Let me measure it. I'm trading super aggressive right now. I don't know why, but with very low risk. That's why I can manage it. Super low risk. At least we have some action, right? Risk to reward is good. All right. Let's see how it goes. OTE would be there, but if not, then here. Okay, we'll see. I'm short with conviction. We'll add 25. Okay, let's go. DCA into the dead cat. I like that. All right. I don't know why. I don't know. Ethics and traffic. Come on. I don't want to betray you. I'm not a trade. I'm not doing anything. Listen, I got out from the position. I own the loss. All right. That's it. I'm not going to betray you. You know, guys, put the trade long, everybody. Long, all right? So I'm not betraying anyone. Market makers. Yeah. I know the guy. He's always short. He keeps DCAing. Yeah, no problem. Just go long. All right. Push it. I don't care. All right. Okay. So don't worry. You're good. Don't change anything to satisfy the person. This is a show, you know. I want to satisfy everyone. Let a man be manipulated as otherwise. You know. All right, now this is getting serious. Should I add the limit order at 0575? 0575, how about that? Don't tell anyone. That's actually fine. 0575. Can I do that? I can do that, right? No, I can do that. Oh, 575. Oh, that's fine. No, it's not gonna come down there. Yeah, sure, no problem. Okay. Jesus, baby, holy Christ, what is happening? Hold on. I'm just measuring all this stuff, nothing extra. I just put a limit order at 0575. Please don't be mad. You're a cool guy. And this chatter is relaxed. All right, chills. All right. Well, there's, how did they say it in Batman, not Batman Returns, The Dark Knight, I'm the one that the trading community deserves, but maybe not the one who needs that need right now. I can't say it like that. I have a video. I was laughing in tears. There's a video about Batman, The Dark Knight, and they did a dub. When Batman only mumbles, you can't really understand what he's saying. I was crying so hard. My fiance came into the room. She was asking, what is going on? What is up? And I was crying so loud. So Batman was mumbling. I'm gonna show you guys that video. It's so hilarious, so funny. Actually, where is it? I think I have it somewhere. I think I have it in my favorite. I have a playlist with my favorites. Okay, not on a list. It's just a 1 minute video, guys. It's just a 1 minute video, but I was crying, like I was laughing and crying at the same time. It was so good. It was so awesome. I put it out there to the chat. Long is scary. Yeah, I'm not tagged into the trade. Almost got in. Missed my entry with 1 tick. Right there. 1 tick, but looks a little bit scary. It can still go for the order block, so I'm gonna leave my entry there. But it is scary. It is. It is scary. Super scary, I must say. Yeah, looks good, but if it's not gonna take me in, then obviously it's we're just gonna wait. Just move stop loss to break even. Most people would have already taken some TP already. Yeah, oh, look at that. You guys are having a blast. I was just watching that crazy video. Look at this. Wow. Look at this, guys. Crazy, crazy what's happening. It seems like it's gonna go for that level. It's gonna go for the 17, right? Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's going for it. Didn't go down for my original entry. Oh wow, what is this volatility here? Longs right now, 4 hours bearish is super scary. I don't know. I don't know. Everything is scary after yesterday's move, to be honest. Everything is scary, and I'm still looking at that that level up there. The range I'm looking for is 473. If you're going for the 473, I might have an entry to go long as well, but not at this area because it's still unclear to me yet. It could still spike down and take the gap or the order block here. This is an order block. So it could be that or whatever. Let me... So if it takes that, that's also good for me. All I need is basically just a spike lower, and that's it. No. Yes, may still do it today. Maybe use session? Yeah, could be. Could be. Could be. We're coming down, Tom. Don't bet against the kid. Are we coming down? Oh. I don't know. Maybe. I want to see what it does. If it takes out the gap first above 17, then I'm not going to look for... I'm going to delete my limit order here. Seems like we're taking out the 17, so I think I'm going to delete my limit order if it does it. If not, then I'm still considering to enter long at 0575, but I think it's going to go for the 17 now. Yeah, it took it. Yeah, there you go. It took 17, and that's it. So from now on, this long entry is not valid for me. So I'm deleting my, it's high risk. I'm deleting my limit order. I'm flat. No orders. There you go. This is not valid for me. I don't like it. It's too much risk. I'm going to keep it here as a sign of that's an order block. Liquidity taken. And now I'm just waiting again. Just waiting again. It's going. It's going. Look at this. Look at this. What the hell? So the only thing I can imagine here, and it created a swing position here, is that maybe we'll go for the Asia highs. I love this session so far. It created so many opportunities. Like usually London gives you one opportunity, but now we had like 4 or whatever. I don't know. So I like the price action, to be honest, guys. I do like the price action. Although I'm back to break even for this, but I like what I see. The American will probably be bearish. DM is long. Hey Rob, I did miss you actually. Trading was okay. I had a beautiful win and 2 losses, so I'm at break even for the session right now, but I do like the price action. Good to see you again, Rob. So I do like the price action. I said long. If it breaks 420, it seems like going. Yeah. Spy Girl is out at 470. You guys are awesome. Tom, you should have joined at 80. Spy Girl, I don't know how you're doing it, but let's assume bulls are cheering. Can we drive a truck out? And break-even is a win for me. And so far, I do like the action. I like what I see on the 5-minute. Look at all these candles, beautiful shifts here. At least we have some decent movement. So I like the price action. I like the movement so far. Seems like now we're coming back for the Asia highs at 59. I don't have an entry yet, so I'm still waiting. I had a beautiful gold short to the tick. Well, I closed it earlier with 2 ticks, but now I feel like, and I'm sorry to say this, FX and Trophy, but I do feel like when I look at this chart that the 459 is in the crosshair. But anyway. Do you usually journal? Does win rate matters? I journal, but not the way you would think. So I don't journal all my trades because that would take a lot of energy. And of course, there are websites like TradeZilla and some other sites that can help you. But I don't think that journaling every single trade is necessary. I journal down some of my best trades and some of my worst trades. So if I do something stupid and crazy during the day and I have a loss, I journal it down. If I do something really good, I journal it down, but not every trade. I usually write down my emotions, how I felt during the day, what mistakes I made, or what good things I made during the trading session. I usually write. I just write and attach 1 or 2 charts maybe. But I also, I mean, nowadays I started to do a trading journal in Notion, but instead of Notion, I switched back to paper. So I'm holding my pen, and here's my my notebook, and I'm writing down my thoughts for the day. And I have already 3 notebooks. I mean, not all of them are journals, but I write down my thoughts, and if I have a chart, I just save it for later with a picture or something. But yeah. 420 is too risky. Sure, can't log. Yeah. Is that double bottom there as well? Looks like it, yeah. Tom, many years of experience and many losses, but real money. There you go. There you go. And you know what, Spy Girl? I respect you for all that. What I mean, your journey, what you do here, and the way you trade, the way you contribute to all this. I like it. So thank you. I'll go into my corner and cry now. Don't cry. Come on, man. You're not that kind of man. Be a man. Come on. Don't cry. See if we can break the daily open at 433. Yeah. I actually like this placement here. I'm putting a fib tool again here. And I'm going to wait. Oh, Fisher Trader. Thank you so much for subscribing to the stream. Welcome, welcome. So, profit taking there. Okay. 3 micros here. 420. 25. 420. 25. 3 micros. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Also, about holding shorts bias until proven otherwise. Yeah. Email. Oh my God. I'm sorry. Every notification has been turned off, and let me check the email from Marcus. Okay, I have an email from Marcus. This guy's killing it. Guys, I want to share this. This is the screenshot of Marcus. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. How the hell you do this? I am gonna lose my mind. I don't know. This guy's Diamond Hands. That's gonna be your middle name, Marcus Diamond Hands Sanchez. And DM is on the 2 minute. 2 minutes? 2 minutes. Oh, I can't read. Actually, I have to go for a new a new pair of glasses because it's like old. I don't see well with my right eye is getting worse in the past 2 years. Many hours, and you love what you do, Marcus. That is awesome. That is awesome. Dude, look at this. It's just going higher. What the hell is going on? I'm getting annoyed by Marcus's winning all the time, you know. I think we should do a poll to ban him or something. Just joking, of course. But no, actually, that is... I'm always amazed. But it doesn't gonna change my entry model. I'm still going to wait. I'm gonna practice patience. Marcus is Diamond Hands, and I'm just patience. I'm Neo at the end of the Matrix Reloaded. I'm just waiting at the train station. Just waiting. Get Marcus on. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. DM, I am out. Let's go. Yeah, definitely. We're gonna do that. Maybe not today, but I mean, not in this session. But hey, we're gonna arrange it. And I know I owe you guys with the session with Jeho and Gabor, and I don't even know who else was up for it. But we're gonna do that session as well, where we can voice chat on Discord, and you know, everybody can talk, and I'm just gonna sit back and relax. Finally. Okay. Limit order 2175. Pushing it to 2175, my limit order. Risk to reward is still good. I have to check my trade copiers. You didn't say the magic word. Okay. It's going higher, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, it would be great. Yeah, I agree, Isham. I agree. We passed the daily open and we were up showing a bit of strength now. Yeah, it does. It does. Yeah, we're gonna do that, the Elzazinga. We're gonna do. If Marcus accepts it, I would gladly do that. It would be my honor. As I explained, Swagger, you were looking at 360. I was looking at an entry. If the market had gone down 360, okay. 421.75. Let's go. 405.50. I start with jump again, but now did not go down. Nice, nice. Yeah. 421, 405. I have a limit entry at 421.75 to target the Asia high and the 15-minute order block high. I don't know if we're gonna take it or not, or it's gonna get tagged in. Maybe. All right. So my limit order is at 21.75. And my stop loss is at 05.50. Yeah. If I get tagged in. That's a big if. That's a big if. Okay, price action. Yesterday's data plus volatility. Yeah, all those equal highs. 433 are the draw. Could be. Could be. Question remains: is it going to pull back to the entry level or not? Still holding a quarter of a long. Nice. It's basic. Yeah, it's a free position. Then you should just, you know, go with it. Definitely, Marcus. I very well understood, and I like what you do there. Waiting for this entry. Kill zone. Oh my god. I haven't seen what... okay. The kill zone is gonna end soon. What to do? What should we do? We have PPI, right? Today we have, yeah, PPI numbers. Okay, and Michigan, University of Michigan sentiment, which is this news at 10 a.m. The University of Michigan consumer sentiment. It's not going to move the market. I don't understand how this is a red folder news. It never moves the market, never. It says high impact news, but it's not. It's not doing anything. This is nothing. So I would be very surprised if that news would move the market. Maybe a few points up and down, and that's it. So the one that I passed to Tom, I also took a stop. It's controlled, but the important is good morning, Congo. Why is it so that in the morning session we have the same prices, but New York session and we have different for at least 2 or 3 ticks? I don't know, man. I don't know. It's a glitch in the matrix or something. I had no idea. I wish I would know that. I'm on the micro, so I'm on micro. You might be on the mini, so that's also if I'm on a mini, you're on a micro, you know, or vice versa. You know, that's not always the same. Yeah, we help each other. Close the position. Oh, now let's see in New York what happens. Yeah. You raise your stop to 402. It will exit in profit. Congratulations there, Marcus. Very nice job. Very nice job there. Unfortunately, there's nothing for me right now. I mean, there is. I'm waiting for my entry. But hold on, Marcus. If you want to post a chart, I can add you as a mod if you want to. I'm not saying you must. It's up to you. But I know you have some good charts. Add as a mod, standard mod. All right, Marcus. It's up to you. You don't have to. Oh, it's up to you. Look at that. It's going up. It's just going up. No retracement to my level so far. So sad. It's just gonna run. Also, bearish order block to the left here. 43 is the next target, could be. And there she goes. All right. Still no entry. I do have some FOMO here, but I'm still going to wait. Still going to wait. Oops, sorry. I was waiting for a phone call. Sorry, guys. Sorry, I'm here. What is happening? 460 minimum. Let's go. Run, Forest, run. Da, 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 da. Look at this. It's still there. It's still there. Double top. Interesting. FX and Trophy is not worried. Kim, hey there. 3 weeks mean good luck. Oh, wow. We had a spike right now. My entry is still at 2175. Just in case, you know. Just in case, Justin Bieber. Oh, yeah. Let's see. And my entry is around the 50% retracement level. So I might have a chance for this one to be tagged. Let's see. Do we have some news or anything, you know? Nothing. Anybody's talking right now? Any politicians or whatever? What the hell is all this? Nobody. Okay. So 2175 is still there for me. Created these tops. Looks very juicy. Look at that. Just going for it. It's going for it. There's also an order block high at 42. Sorry, just a quickie phone call again. What the hell is going on here? Hey Dominic, hello. I think the 34, I mean, yeah, it should be breaking that high, especially on the 1 minute. Look at all this. This is the 1 minute, and I think it should break that high. If not, I still have my entry. Komodo, hey. Morning. Is it also morning? Yeah, it's morning. It's 10:48 a.m. in the morning right now. Did you hear about CRT concepts? Can't say that I do. No. Not so far. I mean, didn't. Which country? I live in Hungary, in the middle of Europe, you know. Not Budapest, but I live like 90 kilometers south from Budapest. So I'm hungry. I'm a hungry Hungarian. Actually, I am hungry, but I also started the diet because I have so many weight to lose. I have like 12 or 15 kilograms that I have to lose, guys. I'm overweight. I'm heavily overweight, guys. I'm 184 centimeters tall, and I'm 100 kilograms. I'm 100 kilograms. So I have to lose like the bare minimum would be 10 kilograms to lose. That would be the bare minimum. I need to lose that. Yeah, Isham. Yeah. Yesterday, you bought and sell in the wrong direction on gold. Yes. I mean, the gold trade actually turned out good yesterday. I was long on gold, but it went against me, but didn't take out my stop, and eventually it went into profit. But the NQ, I was short in the London session on NQ, and I closed the stream, and it took me out during the stream. But it was just going sideways. Everybody was waiting for the news, and that's what happened. You was victim of CRT concepts. Okay. Okay. So I guess I will look into that. I was a victim of that. FX is from the US, I think. I mean I mix up everybody. I think he's from the US. Not sure. UK? I don't know. I need to show you. We will be so better. Okay. You're Romeo discipline? What? I don't know what that means, but this will be interesting in your section. Oh, France. Oh yeah, France. Yeah. Bonjour. Paris. Paris. I saw a video yesterday. France reminds me. I saw a video. I'm not sure if it's an old video or whatever, you know. I'm not trusting anything on the internet, but I saw a video that in Paris, the shops are, you know, barricading their, you know, the glasses and everything because of possible riots. I guess it was of the election or something. And everything was barricaded down and closed down, and like everybody was ready for World War or something. And it was interesting. Oh, nice. Send you. Oh, full video. Okay, I'm gonna check it. I see that. All right. Hold on. Another quickie phone call. I'm gonna check it. I'm sorry, everyone. Let me get back with the chat. Done. Phew. FX and traffic gave up. You can't give up. Although I'm missing the chat. I don't know what you guys are talking about anyway. Look at that. What happened to NQ? What is this? What is this? There's a lot of orders above 45. Just saying. Like a lot. Barcoded, yeah. This thing just barcoded the hell out. Oh, baby Jesus. I still have my limit order. I'm just not sure if I should leave it there or not. This barcode chart is terrible. Terrible. Even the 3-minute is terrible. Eventually, I think we're gonna take Asia high. I think it's a high probability draw on liquidity, so I'm gonna take the magnet up there, and so I think that level is pretty strong. NQ was part here before the boom boom. Oh yeah. So there's going to be a boom boom, then it should go to the 42s, 45s at least. But I agree that it's going to boom boom. It should be happening any second now. That is just gonna, and it has to take out 42 very fast, that order block. Actually 44, but 42 is high probability. It's fun. Boom boom down, oh yeah. Okay. It's going. Or at least it should. Let me put this here. OTE level, well, it's still looking good there. maybe I'm gonna modify it slightly. 22, 25, maybe. Okay. So my entry is at 22.25 now. But I don't think it's gonna go there. I think it's straight gonna go up. Boom. Hello, Congo. How can I open a simulation account in Quant Tower? I open a 50k on TopStep. I don't know, unfortunately. I managed to do that with NinjaTrader in December, or I mean, Quant Tower has built-in simulated something where you can backtest, but it's very bad. But a demo account, like a simulated sim account, I don't know how to do it, unfortunately. I'm sorry. Maybe if you what I would do is register with MFutures. MFutures, you can open a free demo account with Rhythmic connection, and you can log in with Quant Tower to MFutures demo account, and that's free. That's what I did. I remember that's what I did with MFutures. They gave a demo account, and I logged in. Although that was like 6 months ago. I don't know if anything's changed, but that's how I did it. I opened up a demo account and I just logged in through Quant Tower. And that was MFutures. Maybe some other futures brokerage can do the same too. So just check out on Google, where can you open a futures demo account, and if they have Rhythmic connection, that's it. My cat is dead, but I'm short with an average 23. Okay, FX entropy is still holding. On a boom. So finally above New York close, we find low. After under FX got you. The fight is real. Oh yeah. Yeah, try that. That's what I did. If not MFutures, maybe you can Google like futures demo account, and if a few brokerages come out and they offer Rhythmic connection, then there you go. Okay, this is it. I'm going to delete my limit orders. It went higher. I'm not participating in this. It broke higher. This is not something. I still think that we're going to take out the 59, and there's a very, very high chance, I think, that we're going for 59, but I'm not jumping in. It's hard, but I'm waiting for the next setup, guys. I'm waiting for the next setup because, you know, what can we do, right? What can we do? Anyway. Let's see. The best thing is still the on Ninja still, but yeah. Exactly. All right, everyone. I think this is it for me. It's obvious that this one wants to go take out the order block and the Asia high. I'm very, very strongly convicted in the direction. Convinced, not convicted. Convicted is a different thing. I'm still learning. Convinced. I have a conviction that 459 is a good target. I'm not gonna wait it. I'll be back in the New York session. If you guys in long, good luck with that. I wish you all the profits and thank you for being here. I'll be back in New York. Join the stream. There's going to be a giveaway, and like the stream. And if you would like to support the channel, please use my codes and links. That helps me out with a great deal. All right. Thank you so much, everybody, and see you in the New York session. You guys are awesome. Love you all. Cheers, everybody. I'll send flowers. All right. Take care.